$20,000 to any realtor that allows me to shave her head. In about 3 minutes, this advertising will be gone, but it still gives me enough time to shave her head and become your preferred realtor. My name is Willie Adolph, and I'm the wolf of Houston's real estate. When it comes to real estate on any given month, I attend many closings. Our office sells over 100 houses, not to mention all the rentals. At least over 100 open houses, and our office has over 100 listings. And if I'm being completely honest, when it comes to marketing, we hired the best, so we called a firm and got marketing by field. We spend $10,000 to $20,000 a month in advertising, company trips, real estate conventions, a Bentley, a Maserati, box seats at the Houston Astros. Why? It's freaking awesome. Some realtors will skip this ad because they fear success, but not you. You're smarter than them. You know exactly what it takes every single day to get up and help families purchase their dream homes. And that's why you're still here watching this video. But before you skip out of this ad, do you hear that? Ooh! Did everybody get a copy of this week's property listings?
Yes.
I'm going to let you on a little secret. These houses cannot sell themselves. Without you, these are just worthless pieces of paper. It's like a loaded M16 without a trained Marine pulling the trigger. In the case of these new listings, it's up to each and every one of you, my highly trained realtor, to do whatever it takes to get these families in the home. As the wolf of real estate, we are waiting for these sweet 3 words. Clear to close! Let me tell you something. Every house can be sold. A starter home, a second home, a luxury home. And the Adolph Group, powered by Keller Williams, have 3 things: faith, grind, and hustle. So if I'm 20,000 feet in the air or in the back of a limo, I can look at my laptop or my phone and see the hundreds of leads coming in. Just like this $20,000 blue-face Rolex. Before you click out of this ad, I want you to take a look around at these hungry, successful realtors. Go ahead, look. Because sometime in the near future, you're going to need one of them to list or buy your dream home. So listen, and listen good. Are you tired of paying rent and throwing away money?
Yes.
Good. Call me today so we can put you into your new home. Is your family ready to move into a new house?
Yes.
Good. Call me today so we can get you pre-approved today. Is your FICO score too low?
Yes.
Good. Call my office today so I can help you with credit restoration. And I will put you in front of credit specialists and loan officer and get you pre-approved today.
Yes.
All you got to do today is register for one of my events. And I will put you in front of loan officers, credit specialists to get you into your home.
Yeah!
All my realtors put family first.
Yeah!
Walk them through the home buying process.
Yeah!
You guys are realty royalty.
Yeah!
Now let's take these property listings and make people's dreams come true. Yeah!